How to change note color on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Then, at the top right corner of your screen, click on the message icon. In here at the top, you'll find your note. Click on your note. Then, at the top, in text box, hold on to it. After that, at the bottom, you'll find different colors. You can select any color you want your note to be. After you've selected the color, press on Apply at the bottom. After you've applied the color, you can type anything you want and press on Share at the bottom right corner of your screen, and you're good to go. This is how to change note color on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.